Hi, and welcome back to Staffable Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to allow open web pages on Slack. Maybe you want to allow it, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can allow open web pages on Slack. Check the video description, I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Slack application and log in with your Slack account. And then from here, you'll be directed into this page. From here, tap on this U button at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will see in here the preferences. And then in here, you scroll down and you will see in here in the under advanced, open web pages in app. Allow links to open in Slack. If you want it to allow, simply toggle this button to turn it on. There you go. If you wanted to know how you can allow open web pages in the app, there's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can allow open web pages on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.